Steps to become DGCA, Aircraft Maintenance Engineer, AME. To become a DGCA, Directorate General of Civil Aviation, Certified Aircraft Maintenance Engineer, AME, follow these steps. Number 1. Understand the role of an AME. AMEs are responsible for inspecting, maintaining, and certifying the airworthiness of aircraft. B. They play a crucial role in ensuring aviation safety, making it a high-demand profession. Number 2. Check eligibility criteria. A. Educational qualification, must have completed 10+2 with physics, chemistry, and mathematics, PCM, or hold a diploma in engineering, approved by AICTE. B. Age limit, typically, candidates should be between 16 and 28 years of age at the time of admission. C. Medical fitness, candidates must pass a medical fitness test to ensure they can meet the physical requirements of the job. Number 3. Apply for the AME CET exam. A. Register for the AME CET by filling out the online application form available on the www.amecet.in. B. Pay the application fee and upload required documents like photographs and identification proofs. C. Choose the preferred examination center during the application process. Number 4. Prepare for the AME CET exam. A. The AME CET assesses knowledge in subjects like physics, chemistry, mathematics, and general aptitude. B. Utilize study guides, previous year question papers, and online resources to prepare effectively. Number 5. Appear for the AME CET exam. A. Attend the examination at the allotted center. The test is typically conducted in online or offline mode. B. Perform well to secure a high rank, as your rank determines eligibility for scholarships and seat allocation in top AME institutes. Number 6. Choose an approved AME institute. A. After clearing AME CET, select a DGCA-approved AME institute for your training. B. AME CET counseling helps you secure admission based on your rank and preferences. Number 7. Complete the AME diploma program. A. Duration. The program generally lasts 2 to 4 years, including practical training. B. Curriculum. It covers the basics of aircraft maintenance, aviation regulations, and practical training on real aircraft. C. Streams. Choose between categories like mechanical, B1, or avionics, B2, depending on your interest. Number 8. Obtain DGCA certification. A. Complete the required practical training with a certified maintenance organization, approved by DGCA. B. Pass DGCA module exams to gain the necessary certification for licensure. C. These exams assess theoretical and practical knowledge in specific areas of aircraft maintenance. Number 9. Start your career. A. With a DGCA license, you can work as a certified aircraft maintenance engineer in airlines, maintenance organizations, and other aviation sectors. B. Pursue further specialization or international certifications, like EASA or FAA, to expand career opportunities. For more information, call us on +91 8800 66 3006 or visit our website www.amecet.in.